the flip object by line tool, which is under operations, and this is the flip object by line tool, which you can select, and you select the pieces that you want to be flipped over except these center points. So I'm going to click onto these points here, and once I've selected, to confirm my selection, I'm going to click enter. And then now I have to, as it says at the bottom, click the first line point, and this is the first line point, and holding my shift key, I'm going to click onto the second line point, which is at the bottom. And then I'm not going to adjust anything here. I'm just going to press apply and OK, because all is in order. And then I'm going to go into my line tool, and select your line tool, and redraw your lines at that point. As I said, pressing onto L, you can use the same tool repeatedly. You click here, and then you press L, and you click again, and you press. And there we go. That's the full borders pattern piece. And if you don't want this line at the center, all you have to do is just select the line and right click and you delete. And there we have the full borders pattern piece, which you can also extract. If you don't know how to extract, follow my videos. You'll find the video there where it says how to extract. You want to hide your labels here. To hide your pattern labels, you click Alt and L.